Hola amigos, today we're going to be making a fun snack of cinnamon tortilla chips with a strawberry salsa. Now this isn't a traditional Mexican dish. It's more like inspired by and maybe a little bit Tex-Mex, but it's one of my favorite treats to make when I have old flour tortillas that need to be used up. And if you have kids at home, this is a fun snack for them to help you make and also for them to enjoy. And I served it with strawberry salsa, but you can really make whatever seasonal fruit or their favorite fruit for them to dip into it. I was inspired to make these chips. I was really craving buñuelos and I just wanted something quick. So that's what these chips were inspired by. And if you are curious how to make buñuelos, which is a traditional Mexican Christmas treat, make sure to follow the link below. I will link that for you. And you can make buñuelos any time of the year. Let's get started. We're going to first preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit. You're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And while the oven is preheating, you're going to combine cane sugar with ground cinnamon. I use Mexican canela, Ceylon cinnamon, and you're just going to mix that in a shallow bowl. And then you're going to take your flour tortillas. Now, I used store-bought flour tortillas. You can also use homemade, whatever you have on hand. And then you can use regular butter or vegan butter or even olive oil, whatever you'd like, depending on your dietary needs. And you're going to just brush both sides evenly of each flour tortilla. And then you're going to coat the tortillas on both sides with the cinnamon sugar mixture. And you can gently press it into the tortilla just to make sure that everything is coated nice and evenly so. Now you can do this in stages, like you can do a couple of tortillas at a time, or you can do all of them at once. And once you decide which way you want to do it, you're going to take a knife and you're going to cut each tortilla into 8 triangles. If you use the really large tortillas, you might want to cut them into 16 triangles. And then once you have your tortillas all cut and ready, you're going to take your lined baking sheet and you're going to arrange each little triangle on the baking sheet. Make sure that you have one single layer, that none of them are on top of each other. Continue until you fill your baking sheet, and depending on the size of your batch, you may need a couple of baking sheets or to bake them in batches. And bake it in the center of the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until they are golden and crispy. Check them at about the 7-minute mark because every oven varies a little bit different. So while the chips are baking, you can make the salsa. Now, I stupidly did not get any video for it, and all you do is finely chop 12 large strawberries, and then you can mix them with some fresh mint leaves if you'd like. You can dust the strawberries with a little bit of sugar or lime juice if you'd like. I like it very plain. Once your tortilla chips are baked, then you can serve them in a bowl with the strawberry salsa on the side. Like I said, you can also serve these with melted chocolate or ice cream sundaes. These make such a delightful treat. If you like strawberry flavored desserts, make sure to check out the other recipes that I have on the blog and here on the channel. I will link everything below in the description. Let me know if you try this recipe and have a beautiful day, amigos.